you are looking for the best outdoor chair, you're in the right place, because I tested all three of these for the last 3 months. I bought all these products on Amazon. I use all three of these chairs, so I'm going to tell you the different uses I use them in, the pros, the cons, things you need to know that affect your buying decision. There's going to be a couple of different things that are going to make either one of these chairs the right fit for you. So without further ado, I'm going to measure everything. I'm going to show you how many beverages you get in each one, the carrying cases. They all do have carrying cases, so you could just note that. So this one over here is going to be the Puvasia oversized camping chair. This is P-U-V-S-A-I-A. We got the Sunnyfeel. We got the Colgins. The Colgins and the Sunnyfeel come with 2 chairs each. They're kind of behind there. This one right over here, you're going to get 1. Obviously, you could order 2, but that's kind of how they come. Let's go with this one first over here. So actually, we'll go with this one first right over here. So this one is the Puvasia. This is the extra like oversized comfort chair right over here. And I'll measure all of them together at the very end. So you can see right over here, this is like being in a recliner. This is like absolute relaxation. Absolutely love this thing. It's just like, it's perfect for like the beach, being outdoors on a nice weather day like this. That's kind of how you're kind of just like laying back, like kind of like just being in a recliner, which I really like. Now, in terms of functionality for this right over here, we got drinks. So right over here for the functionality of this has a little pouch right over here. You'll see right over here, you could put ice in there. It's like kind of keeps things cool. So you could put sodas in here. You could double stack these just like this, and you could get 6, and there's plenty of room for ice in there. You could also get water bottles in there. One of my favorite features about this one right over here is it has a dedicated wine glass holder, which is crazy. So you'll see right over here, it's like a little ring right over here. You put your wine glass just like this, put it in there. It's not going anywhere. Pro tip, I would put the wine glass in here and then pour the wine inside, because you do have to kind of push it in a little bit. And the reason being is it's secure, as you're seeing. I thought for sure the glass would fall out. It does not. So that's good for that. We got a side pocket right over here. And then we have room for a Stanley if you want one. You could grab another water bottle and put that in that pocket right over there. And then over here, we got a kind of like a cell phone pouch, a zippered pouch on the top. And then you could put like a mesh pouch right here for like a water bottle or something like that. We'll do all the measurements at the end, and I'll show you how to fold them up as well. We're gonna go jump to this one next, right over here. This is the Sunnyfeel. You do get 2 of those. So this one, this one is great for eating, to be honest. This one right over here, this holds about 350-pound capacity. This one is 500 pounds. This one I think is 400 or 450. This has a tray right over here where you could put a plate, and also has a cup holder, and it has a little tablet stand for you right over here. I'm actually going to take this off. So it has a little pouch over here. This is removable. So if you don't want this pouch, you don't need to use it. And we also have on the overside over here, we have kind of an ultimate pouch right over here. You could easily get iPads, books, all that kind of stuff in there. And then this one right over here, we have another one. We got a zippered pouch right over here. Down here, we got 2 Velcro pouches on the top, and then another kind of like pouch right over here. You could easily throw cell phones, stuff like that in here. The nice part about this one right over here is you got the nice dedicated area for a plate or something like this. All these chairs can be used at the beach. So if you want a kind of a plate right over here, you do have that optionality. These other ones, you kind of have to be eating on your lap. This one too, you're a little bit more upright. So if you are trying to eat, this is kind of the better chair for eating for sure. And this is kind of like, I'd say this chair is more like you're watching a game or you're outside. Maybe you're reading a book or something. You want kind of like a glass of something, or you just have like a snack. This is going to be the chair for you. That one folds up as well. So this is what it looks like in the bag. So you have a bag just like this, and you carry it side by side. Next up, this last one right over here, then I'll do kind of pros, cons, and measure everything for you so you can see the differences. This is the Colgin one right over here. excuse me. This one is kind of more of a little bit more relaxed one. I do like this one as well when it comes to the arms, because you can see right over here, I've got a water bottle in here, and it's not really restricting the arms. Some of the chairs are just like very tight and you can't really do anything with that. So that's a nice thing about these. These also all fit in the bag really nice. We have a pouch right over here, similar to the first one. This one doesn't hold as much. You could get about 3 different cans in here or 3 water bottles. You just put that, and this also zippers just like that. And this has a side pouch right down over here. So you could easily get a tablet where you could fit like 2 books in there if that's what you wanted to do. So let's do the measurements real quick so you could see a difference, and I'll kind of go over that. So in terms of measurements right over here, across the Provision one right over here, we got 38 inches across. The Sunnyfield, we're looking at 24. This Colgins one, we're looking at 35. So big difference here. This is going to be the most kind of laid out version over here. This is going to be the tightest, and this is going to be like kind of in the middle here. Off the backs right over here, we got 22. Back on this one, probably about 20. Back on this one, 28. So you're kind of seeing a trend. Now off the ground, this is where it differs. This one off the ground is about 19. This one off the ground, 19. This one off the ground is, I don't know, I call it like 17-ish. So you're gonna be like sitting down low more in that one. So kind of how do we use these chairs? These right over here, we're at a campsite where we're at home and we're gonna eat. We wanna be eating in the backyard over here. We're having friends over. We're using these because you could put a plate over there. You get a drink going. Really easy to fold up, to fold in. That's kind of what we're doing with that. And because this is like a little bit more narrow, and you're kind of like sitting up. And that's kind of how I use this. Like this is the eating chair basically. This one over here is definitely great. I'm saying this one right over here, we're using it if we're going to see our nephews play a sporting event or something like that. Just an easy chair. It's a little bit more relaxed. It's more comfortable. We're just kind of sitting back watching. You know, we're not having like adult beverages or anything like that at the game or anything like that. So this is kind of that chair. We get a water bottle. We got some nice comfy arms going on. And then if we wanted like ice water or some sodas in there, we could do that. There's one right over here. This is like the party chair, I would say, if you're kind of going for that angle. This one, you have a much bigger pouch here. You get like 6 cans of whatever you want in there. You have the wine holder on this one. Ultimate relaxation. This is like being in a recliner. You have the big water club as well. So you'd have your favorite beverages over here, a nice big water over there. And then you have the storage pockets on the side with this one. This one has the overhead bag as well. Overhead meaning, or over shoulder, my bad, as well. So you could easily put that over there. But all these fold up really nicely, go in the bags nicely, which I appreciate a lot too. Can't really go wrong with either one of these. If you're looking for a great outdoor chair, we absolutely love all these. We're taking these to different places. This is like going to nephew's sporting events. This, we're eating outside or going somewhere to eat, or maybe like a concert where we're gonna have snacks and stuff. And this is like ultimate relaxation. We're just chilling out, having some beverages, having a good time. So hope you found this video review helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I hope you find the right chair for you.